Welcome to Tour the World. In this series, we'll explore different cities in Finland with our loyal drone camera. Our last 3 videos featured Savonlinna, Suomenlinna, and Helsinki. Savonlinna and Suomenlinna are known for their historic fortresses. And Helsinki is Finland's capital. We produced short documentaries on these places with real drone footage captured recently. If you have not watched those, please check out our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explore Kuopio. We'll fly our drone over various parts of Kuopio and share some valuable information about the city. Our goal is to help future tourists plan their trips and know what to visit on day trips. Please give us your feedback on improving our documentaries. Let's start the Kuopio trip. Kuopio is the 8th most populous municipality in Finland, with around 124,000 residents. The city covers 4,326 square kilometers, with 720 square kilometers of lakes. Half of Kuopio is covered with dense forests. It's a hub for education and research, home to the University of Eastern Finland and various research institutions. The city has well-renovated housing near the center, surrounded by green landscapes, small lakes, and islands. There are also several football grounds. Kuopio is known for its beautiful natural surroundings, including Lake Kallavesi, which offers boating, fishing, and swimming. The lake's extensive shoreline and numerous islands provide picturesque views and make it a popular spot for outdoor activities. Many people in Kuopio prefer biking over public transport because everything is close by. Biking near the coast is especially fun in the summer. Besides the road traffic, there are separate bike lanes throughout the city. Boat parkings, boating, like in Helsinki, many people in Kuopio have private boats with several parking spots available. Tourists can also enjoy public boat tours. Kuopio Cathedral is a stone neoclassical-style Lutheran church located a few minutes from the city center. Built between 1806 and 1815, it is surrounded by magnificent fountains and a flowery area, making it a popular spot for relaxation and photography. It's a must-visit place for tourists. During our drone flight, we witnessed a traditional Finnish wedding ceremony. Friends, relatives, and people from church were accompanying the bride and groom, and everyone was very happy. We respected the privacy of the guests and hide their faces while showcasing this beautiful moment. Wedding ceremonies are usually very simple, unlike in Asian or Middle Eastern cultures. Our next destination was Puijo Tower. It is a famous landmark in Kuopio, standing 75 meters tall on Puijo Hill. It offers amazing views of Kuopio, Lake Kallavesi, and the surrounding area. Opened in 1963, the tower has a revolving restaurant where visitors can enjoy the scenery. It's a well-known symbol of Kuopio, loved for its stunning views. You should definitely visit here. Summer in Kuopio is really short. Early autumn brings vibrant colors to the trees. Sunlight significantly reduced already from early autumn. Winter temperatures can drop to -38 degrees Celsius, with most of the city covered in snow from December to February. Despite this, city activities continue. Cars use winter tires from October to April, and snow is frequently cleared from the roads. In February, the sun reflecting on the snowy landscape creates a beautiful view. December evenings feature festive lighting near the central square, creating a nice atmosphere and playing spot for the children. That concludes our Kuopio's journey. We hope you enjoyed the highlights, especially the Kuopio Cathedral and Puijo Tower. June or July is the best time to visit Kuopio. Our Finland series is still ongoing, and we will visit more cities, possibly including nearby places like Tallinn, Stockholm, and Riga. Please give us your feedback. It helps us immensely. Take care and see you in the next episode.